Okay, let's do this thing nice and quick and easy. This is a 2015 Nissan Rogue. These headlights are the same for 2014 to 2016, so compatibility is there. We did the MH1 projector retrofit in the low beam location. The high beam is just disconnected, as this assembly is a ByThirteen assembly. We are also rocking the Morimoto XB LED fog lights, so the thing looks significantly better. Homeboy got this car apparently for a song, really cheap. Obviously the hood needs a paint job, but the headlights were in really bad condition as well. As you can see, they're super fogged up and ugly, and I mean, even if they were in great condition, the fact of the matter is this rear reflector housing is absolutely poopy and gives you terrible light output. So he replaced the headlights with brand new housings. I did the retrofit, also got the clear little amber deletes on the side there, so it looks significantly better, especially with those fogs down there. Next up on his to-do list is to do a paint job. All right, showing off the driving lights right now. This is just the OEM little boomerang thing. That's cool. I did force him to swap in some LEDs right there for the pure white aspect of it. It just didn't look right with the halogen bulbs in there. I also replaced the interior bulbs with LEDs, which is just also very necessary for this thing. Okay, headlights are officially on. We're running a 50-watt setup with the 6500 Kelvin bulbs, so they just start nice and blue looking, but as they warm up, they will end up being a nice pure white, so it will match the fog lights, match that boomerang, match that side marker. And as you can see, everything is a nice, beautiful, crisp, clean white. This is the type of light output that you want out of your vehicle. It is very beautiful. And right now I'll do some video overlay so you can kind of see the idea of what we're working with as far as driving around at night. Yeah, it's good stuff. The MH1 is a great 2.5-inch projector, so it can fit into smaller sized housings and not require any labor intensive modifications, thus keeping the cost down. Ta-da! That's all I got for you today. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Again, thank you as always for watching these wonderful videos. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.